Hey guys, it's Denzel here. Today we are going to the park. The park just sounds like some kind of like kiddie fiddling place. And we are going to fly the drone again. I know I did fly it at my school, but we're doing something different today. We're going slightly further. Not much further,
no,
but
not really.
But we are. I've got Charlie here. He's come around my house, haven't you, Charlie?
I'm the best.
Yeah, we did some Pool Harlow earlier.
Yeah, we didn't record any.
Didn't record any. No,
we might have to record some later. We might record some later.
Yeah, hopefully. We're going to do try not to laugh, but Charlie's just so like boring. He just doesn't
don't
laugh. So pretty bad to be honest. But anyway, we're going up there now. So I hope you guys enjoy.
Right, guys. So we are here at the field. Alice is just setting up the drone.
Yeah.
Seems pretty windy, doesn't it? Now let's look at the grass. Look at the grass move. It's very, very windy.
You ready?
Are we ready? Are we going to take? Is the drone going to take off? Is it recording? Right, guys. So Ellen's had a little fly. You can see he's going to get the drone. We decided it's a little too windy to be flying quite high. So we've come up with the idea. We're going to fly it low because we reckon it's not going to be as windy, and if it like falls or anything, it'll be fine. We're going to try and do some challenges. Like we're going to try and fly it through the nets and stuff. So yeah, let's see how it goes. Oh, that's perfect. I'll bring it back. Alright guys, so yeah, we're gonna go to Highfield. Right, so we're on our way to Highfields and we've got a new catch. Look, who's that Pokemon?
Gengar.
Right, so
I know it was a bit windy at Highfield.
So it was strange because we were walking past. It was like, oh look, Harry lives there, right? And then you got I heard the bing. And looked at my phone. I see you.
I did indeed see you. So
yeah, he's coming with us. We're going to Highfields. Bye. Right, so we are here now. We are at the field.
Again.
So Ellis,
My other video.
can you set this up now? Last time you couldn't.
Yeah, the other one of the batteries is like
Yeah, let's have a lovely look at that Tash. We're loving the Tash. Oh look, you managed to do it first time.
Let's go.
Very, very nice way of like differentiating between the black and the white.
Don't. Oh, when it takes off. It's all good, guys. It's all good. Take me right here on the floor. You dropped me, what a bitch. So you gotta watch this first go flying.
Well, this is his first official go.
Well, we'll rabbit hole.
He's doing bunny hops.
Ellis hasn't got the skills yet.
He's just keeping control of it.
So, Charlie, how was your first time flying?
I think I'm a pro. I mean, I'm pretty much like beat everyone else.
You could do bunny hops, to be quite honest with you.
And then I could fly around your head without crashing into you.
Yeah, well,
but then I almost killed Zen. But
yeah, Zen nearly died. Yeah.
Just wouldn't be the same about
Yeah, well, it technically is just yours.
Well, I upload.
It was his old one.
Yeah, I know.
Let's fly back to that.
We all remember your roots, Mr.
Flame gamer.
Flamer Gamer.
So how do you feel, Charlie?
I think this is the best drone flight I've ever done.
Only flying drone you've ever done.
Well, yeah, but that's not the point. Right, guys, so I think I might have chopped Alice's finger with the drone, and then almost flew over the hedge, and then it fell from a considerable height. So I think you might be a little bit pissed off.
You're not going to get paid.
I don't get paid. Alice doesn't pay me. It's like slave labour. Land it! Oh shit!
Oh dear!
No, wait, run! Is the drone okay?
We did it!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah, they've been landing!
Oh damn!
Els, you're actually too good.
I actually landed it as well.
You know, right after we did it, like a bird shot.
We just like, it was on the floor and then it just came
Out of nowhere, just flew.
Yeah, I just don't understand how it got up here, to be honest. See, I'm master guy.
He is
So we're getting it with one. We found a new home for Charlie. It's this shell.
We press the button and wait for the signal.
Yeah.
Oh, it's a signal.
Hey, how's it going? Where are we going? Chinese P.
Yeah, Charlie needs to go.
But we're going to the waterfall instead. So unlucky, Charlie.
Yay! Els wants to take me to some waterfall things.
So guys, we're kind of yeah, like Harry said, there was a massive argument. I'm going the right way because I've been here. I live here more or less. So we're going to the Lumsdale Waterfall, which is pretty cool. But apart from that, yeah, we don't know what we're doing.
Zen out and about.
He's convinced me that this is the right way,
It is the right way.
so I'm gonna trust him.
We're like a tour guide, right?
Alright, yeah,
Because we're making these like people follow us, so we don't know.
Yeah.
If I go the wrong way,
Oh,
I'm pretty
yeah.
messed
So
up.
wait, you're down yourself.
I'm not down myself.
Bye guys.
Bye, guys. So we've arrived at a waterfall. Charlie's not excited at all,
Yay!
but it should be fine. Amazing. Oh, hi.
Hi.
I found someone.
Yeah. I just found a hole in the side of the city. It looks cool down here. I will go up down there though.
I know, right? Big hole. Very quiet, isn't it, Charlie?
Yeah. Harry's world, Harry's life.
Can we drop the camera off?
Big drop right there. Very big drop.
You know what means that incline here? So like if you walk round and then one of us like hides in there.
You can't hide it here.
Like as you go round, so it like, looks like we're jumping out.
Oh, hi.
Hi. Weird. Down there.
So basically, guys, we've more or less come to the end of the waterfall. But yeah, we're kind of in, well, I'm in the middle of like a area that's kind of fenced off. Which obviously, you know, fenced off means don't go in. But you know, I'm in here anyway. But it looks like the buildings will be up there, so maybe it's there. Why would they live in like a coned off area, like rocks and everything? I don't understand, but yeah. We kind of like, oh, I've got to go over here now. So obviously you can hear there's like building work here. Normally there isn't, but at the moment there is for some reason. So I've got to squeeze through this fence here. We're back to the road where we started, so we've got the entrance here.
Right guys, that's Lumsdale Woods. Hope you enjoyed.
Yeah. Harry, it's time to leave, I'm sorry. I'm sorry we're doing this to you.
I don't want to leave the t-shirt. Can I have your t-shirt too?
No, you can't have my t-shirt.
So guys, we've split up with Harry, we've done the drone, we didn't really cover much drone footage.
I
but
put it on when I was
because
flying it.
we went to record like loads of like messing about and stuff with
Yeah.
the drone, with my camera, instead
yeah.
of the actual drone. But I hope you enjoyed. Like, we went for walks. We went to Cavendish, didn't work out. We went to Highfields.
Doesn't really work out.
The thing is, it's like barely windy now. This is the thing. It's like really annoying. We should have gone like a bit later possibly, but
Oh well.
it's fine. We managed to go to the waterfall as well, which is pretty cool.
Alright, so see you guys later. Bye.
Bye bye. Hello.